Is Anti Spatter worth your time and money? Well, I'm gonna find out today, actually. So we have this project down here that we're about to start. It's gonna be a sick go-kart or something, I don't know. And I really hate cleaning up my welds when I'm done welding. So I bought some Anti Spatter. I got it at my local shop because I didn't want to wait, but it's cheap enough. 10 bucks. If you're not familiar with spatter, it's just crap that accumulates on your welds and you have to grind it off. This product will allegedly make it so you can just wipe it off with a rag. Sure, man, I don't believe it, but we'll see. So all you do is spray this on your work area, wherever you're going to be welding. It's okay to get it exactly where you're welding, because this is not going to interfere with your weld at all. So I think what we're going to do is we're going to do half of the metal clean, half of the metal dirty. Got mill scale on it, some rust, because that always makes for a good show. Okay, well, I don't have a rag, so I have this shitty brass brush. It's not very, sturdy. Let's see. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, yeah. Look at that. We got some spatter here. Oh, yeah. That's that good stuff right there. Now, this is the cheap brand that looks like they got it off of Wish. I have another brand, which is probably the same stuff. Power Weld. You know what? Why don't we give this one a go real quick, huh? Go there, and we'll just kind of screw around over here. And let's see what we got. Okay, let's see if this cleans up any better. No, I think that one was actually easier. So the non-branded, like the Great Value looking one, worked better than the Wish.com looking one. So was it worth it? Well, yeah, I would say so. It did make the spatter a little bit easier to clean up, and I've done a lot of projects in the past like that and that where there's still spatter on it, to be honest with you, and I was in a hurry to make a video, and I think this would have made it a little bit better. I will drop a link to Anti Spatter in the description below, but check your local welding shop because you never know, you might be able to get it same day for cheap. This was 10 bucks, so why not? So that's about all I have for you. As usual, you be good while I'm gone. I will see you next time. Have a good week.